You want to turn around? Show the back. Then we'll turn around.
No.
Turn around.
It's too bright.
Too bright.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, yo. Welcome back to the Neferpersona show. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, it's going to be all about my princess, Zion. She is now 5 years old, and if you have been on my channel for a while following us to see our growth, this is currently where she stands. I mentioned in her last video that I did have to cut quite a bit off, so I have been doing a lot of protective styles. We're doing more box braids than anything though, but this was in between. I think on here I had just took out some braids, and we wasn't going to wash because I think it was really cold outside and I did not want to wet her hair. So we're just going to do this quick little cute style. It's going to incorporate some braiding hair as well as her own hair. And I think it turned out quite nice. I'm going to try my best to upload as much as I can, but once again, it's a busy season for me at work, so I kind of scaled back. I actually took a hiatus on all social media for a while just to clear my mind, because all the stuff that's going on would drive you nuts if you keep staring at it all day. So y'all definitely take a break from social media. Don't let it take over your life or anything. And I see I had a few people respond to my income tax little rant I had. I will definitely teach some classes on there.
Ooh, hey! You're my face away.
I may just have a Q&A. You ask me some questions. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I just, work for my state. So I know enough of what we see every single day and what we deal with. So that's definitely coming for you. Like I said, education is key. The more you know, the more you can grow. If you fail me. So we're going to continue to braid her hair. I'm going to play some soft music for you, and I hope your Black History Month is going well. I've been learning so much. I love to do my research during this time, just learn new things. It's just so much that went on all of those years, so it's so hard to engulf and learn everything, in one setting. So I try to break it up every year and just learn different things, and I honestly learn something new every single year, which I've never ceased to be amazed. But right on, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. I'm going to be doing more lifestyle content this year, mainly once it warms up so we can be outside. So definitely stay tuned to that. I'm going to introduce a little bit more vlogs, since I do have a new vlogging camera that's collecting dust right now, because I have honestly not been in the mood to do anything with it just yet. So just going to mix content up, not so much hair, because hair to me can get boring sometimes. I love my makeup, I love my fashion, I like to do my healthy lifestyle and living, and just my financial knowledge. I want to definitely talk about credit, because I have excellent credit and I want to help people that don't know much about credit. I want to help you with that as well. And I have maintained my credit score for over 10 years with a little strategy that I use. Definitely stay tuned for that. It's just time consuming with that. I know I always say it, but it takes time. So thanks for hanging in there with me and being patient. And I'll try my very best to stay consistent on my channel. So sit back, grab you some tea, and enjoy Zion and her little facial expressions for the next 10-15 minutes. All right, bye. See you later. There you go. Put your feet right there. Hold this. Close your hand. There you go.
Why?
You want the hairball or you want that thing? Which one you want? Give it to me. Turn around to the front.
Everyone who knows. Start! Girl, start! No. Ow!
Stop yelling, baby. Stop yelling. Alright. You want to turn around? Show the back. And we'll turn around.
You know?
Turn around. Zoom in. Turn around. Look at, yeah, just be still.
Hey, ow!
Oh yeah, down a little bit. There you go. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Ah!
Turn around.
Slowly?
Slowly. See? Oh yeah, didn't like that. Gonna show you style. Say bye.
Bye!
See you later.
See you later. I turn off.
Right here.
This?
This button.
This way?
Yeah. Now push this one.
This one?
Push it.